All right, guys. I'm actually, bro. I recorded this whole video, and then some like weird thing glitched out my mic, and there was no audio, so now I have to record it again. So whatever. Welcome to today's trade recap, where we made $1,000. What the fuck am I saying? $1,700. Yes. So, yeah. I'll just repeat everything I just said already. Yeah. I guess. Okay. So, jeez. Coming into the day. First of all, today was so great. All right, actually, we'll talk about that later. All right, but anyway, yeah, obviously today was great because we made $1,700. But anyway, first trade of the day was US 30, and so market opened right there, and then we just started dumping on NASDAQ and US 30, and then NASDAQ just continued to slowly go down, but US 30 actually recovered and came all the way back up. So see the 1 minute right here. So we flipped the 5 minute candle, and once we flipped the 5 minute candle and Nasdaq was going down, I was looking for a short entry on US 30 because I wasn't really convinced that we were going up yet because we haven't really taken anything out on Nasdaq or ES. So yeah, so exactly what I wanted to happen happened. So US 30 pushed from literally like here to my entry like around here in like less than a second. Like one push brought it all the way down. And at the same time, NASDAQ pushed from like here to like down here or something like that. So that was more than enough for me to enter short onto US 30. So I shorted right here on this third 1 minute candle, and then the 5 minute candle just looks like this. And then there were targets on NASDAQ, which would be this right here. But NASDAQ, again, like I didn't get a pullback on NASDAQ, so I didn't really have an entry. But on US 30, I got a really nice pullback. And the targets on US 30 weren't too great because this target's 100 pips down, or ticks, or points. So I just targeted the bottom of the 5 minute candle range. So at the time, it wasn't here. At the time of the entry, the bottom of the candle range was here. So I just targeted that. And that was the first trade of the day for like $500, I think. And yeah, so that was that. I entered with one mini on that. My normal size for US 30 would be more, but I did want to de-risk a little because of the stuff that's going on. Even though I think it's going to be fine, like for the market. Because look, yesterday we came open, Asia session open. We came all the way down. And then if you go on the 4 hour and the daily, we took out like a lot of really nice lows. Like, look, we took out this, and this. Like, we took out a lot of nice lows. And, or no, I'm so dumb. We already took these out. All right, but we took out this low that took out the equal lows the other day. And then right after that, we literally recovered 300 points, like overnight. So yeah, I think everything is gonna be fine, market wise, unless we actually have a war. So anyway, the second trade, after we took out the sell side right here, we had a day last week where exactly this happened, where we came down, swept, and then instantly had a bullish reaction and came all the way back up. So I did expect it to happen again here, which is why I took my entry pretty preemptively, like without too much confirmation. There should be like a 30-second CISD right here. Yes, we have a 30-second CISD and liquidity sweep. Order block, I guess. No order block. There's a fair value gap here. Yeah, it's a 15-minute. Okay. Well, that's really it. Like, this was more of just like I knew we were gonna reverse. So I wanted to originally take this trade all the way up to London highs right here, but we had news at 9:45, which is why I closed all the way down here. As you can see, the London highs trade did eventually play out, but again, like this trade that I like closed in is literally a 2.3R. Like normally I'm not even taking 2Rs. So like I just have to be happy. Like bro, I just won a 2R, right? Like I shouldn't get mad at all that we came all the way up to here. And that's what you guys should always remember. Like yeah, I'm sure you guys heard us saying, but like you only need a piece of the pie. You don't need the whole thing. So I got my piece of the pie, pause, and then yeah, like we're just done for the day right here. Off this beautiful 2.3R, I bottom tick this shit. I can show the execution. I need to make this color better. Like I don't like blue. Let me see. Purple? Fuck no. Black? We'll just make it black. No. All right, let me know what color your executions are, because I don't know. But yeah, we literally bottom tick this shit. And that was it for NASDAQ. Yeah. So that was it for today. Very happy again. Like, uh, I wanted to really rip 5 minis onto this and just make like 10 bands, but like, no. Like, I'm happy I stayed disciplined because I could have easily ripped 5 minis. We could have came back down, resweeped, stopped me out, and then came all the way back up, and I would have no drawdown the whole through that and blown my account. Or I probably would have the drawdown, but I probably would have blown my account because I would have taken out and shit. So yeah, like nothing, literally nothing went wrong today. I didn't over leverage, I didn't get greedy, I didn't FOMO, I only took 2 trades. So yeah, like great day overall. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And also, I think what I'm gonna try to do is like upload one like actual video of me talking like at the lake or something, like because like you can see Chicago like at this lake, like the Chicago skyline. So I might make a video every week talking about that. So if you guys see that later and like I'm talking about some shit, like that was what happened before I started documenting like this funding account, because like obviously right now like I'm good, but yeah, that was what happened before. So if you guys see that, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do that yet. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.